If there's one item to pack, I would say phone and water. I know it's not one, but 2.
Your ticket to get in, because you'd be surprised how many people forget it and leave it at home.
A bag, a big bag, because you're gonna be buying stuff.
And of course a wallet full of money.
Bring comfortable shoes, bring food.
Probably say plasters. My feet are killing me. I've been in like 5-inch heels all day.
If you're going to dress up, the most important thing to pack is your costume.
Don't forget to bring your props if you've got them, like obviously crown, props, like it could be accessories, props, anything.
You back up stuff like makeup and eyeliner just in case, because it does get hot in here.
Do your checklist before you pack.
Bring yourself refillable water bottles. You can actually refill them all over the place.
And a portable charger, because you might need some really good pics with your favourite cosplayers.
Make sure you got the app on your phone. I'll tell you, the number of times before I got the app, I wandered up and down, trying to find where I was going and realised it was on the other side. Got the app, you're straight there.
Bring an open mind, because you're going to find a lot of really cool things that you might not even know that you're into.